You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 21/5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all t terms on the left side of the equation. Add t to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 8 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is t equals 21/5.